Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this one is the Supreme that was dropped last week, May 10. This is the week number 12. This one is the jet full zip sweatshirt, and this is the authentic original from Supreme website. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Yeah. This one is pretty pricey. So it hurts my pocket when I try to check out with this, okay? So like always, come with this nice Supreme shopping bag. Come with this 2 box logo stickers. So I guess when you spend certain amount of money, it comes with either 1 or 2 stickers. Here you go, guys. That's it. No. Wow. Look at that. Jeez. Pretty nice, huh? I don't know why when I ordered a size medium last time with the knit shirt, it fits like a small. But somehow with this hoodie or zip up, it feels pretty big. What is going on with Supreme size? Okay. So let's check this one out. This is a jet sleeve. Okay, it's called jet sleeve. Zip up hooded sweatshirt, and that is the barcode, and it shows the spring summer 18 violet color, size medium. So this one is pretty expensive, okay guys? So $178 plus $10 shipping plus tax. Looking at more than 200 or 2 bills, okay? So let's go ahead and pop this open. Try not to mess it up. And it is sold out on the website. Gotta make sure how I fold it or how it's unfold. Got this Ykk zipper, and here is your front pouch pocket, left and right, because it's separated by this zipper. As you can see, it says Ykk on both sides of the zipper. Should it say S or Supreme on there? But anyway, got this nice Supreme. Check the label out. Let me unfold it. So on the back is basically it's like plain, but you have this jet sleeve on there, which is pretty interesting. And on the inside, you got this like burgundy color. Oh my God, even the original has all this thread. What's going on? Come on, what's your quality control? So it says made in Canada. and then that's the RN number and the CA number. Made in Canada, and this is original, 100% authentic. You got your draw cord, your drawstring. This is the flat one. If you got the round one, you probably got the fake one or the UA one or replica one. This is the original one. Let's go ahead and unzip this. Come on. You kidding me? Supreme? They came and cleaned up their mess. I can't believe it. That's why I kind of don't like to buy their stuff anymore, okay? It's kind of disappointing. Jeez. Now look at it. I got to clean up their mess. And it looks so messy. I can't believe it. And I'm paying like, what, $200 for this? As you can see, there's a sticker right here again. Oh my God, it's gonna mess up the fabric. So you can see, I'm trying to pull this out. Oh. Hopefully this thing's not gonna come apart. Oh my gosh. So what do you think, guys? You think that's a good job? I can't believe Supreme they let their employee or whoever making this looking like this. That is so horrible. So anyway, that's what it look like inside, and you got this Supreme label right here. Made in Canada, and then that is your RN number again. Make sure this RN number matches the RN number right here on the top of the label. All right. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this jet sleeve hooded sweatshirt. I'm pretty disappointed with this. I guess this is a double tape or something, so when you peel it off, well, it's so easy. I'm not sure why they don't do it. Maybe I should put on their Instagram saying this is a bad quality, so they will step up with their quality control. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. Please also drop any other comments on below and share this with your friend, family, or social media. And then I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, be sure to stay tuned for the try-on video toward the end of this video. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching. Happy Friday, and peace out, guys. Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna do like a try-on real quick for you guys to check this jet sleeve hooded sweatshirt. I mean full zip. So let's go ahead and then get it started, guys.